Utongoria wa kiama kia arigitani KMPDU ukiriire mathibitari maria makoretwo makiriha arigitani mishara ya IGOTO makiuga undu uyu ni wagarari wa ihoto ciao o hamwe na kwagarara mendekithia makamiti ya kuramata mishara.
Long live union, long live, long live.
Kuringana na KMPDU ihinda-ini ria miaka 4 arigitani makiria ma 3,000 kuma mabũrũri-inĩ ma NANJA nĩo mokĩte gũtungatĩra arwaru mathibitari-inĩ matiganĩte gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ kũrĩa makoretwo makĩrĩhwo mĩcara ĩtaratwarana na mendekithia makamĩtĩ ya SRC.
So this issue of self-hate, where we think that foreigners are better than the locals, must stop. This issue where we take the brightest of our children, parents selling land, help, paying. Just training one doctor costs 5 million shillings.
Most facilities, private and public, have resorted into some locums offering 200 shillings per hour, some offering 300 shillings per hour, some offering 150, out of the desperation that there are so many other foreign doctors that have been brought in that will accept anything.
KMPDU yugite undu uyu urakinyanirio ona thengia wa bũrũri wa Kenya gukorwo uri na namba nene ya arigitani matari mawira no ni gukorwo imwe cia thibitari itikoretwo na matanya makuriha arigitani mishara na njira yagiriire magakinyaniria matua ma gwetha arigitani nja wa bũrũri.
They've decided to resort to import this particular workforce while they disregard the permit D, whereby it is required that before you actually bring any skill outside, you must ensure that they don't exist.
I know of a hospital here in Nairobi where they had one who could not even do a simple vaginal examination and she is running maternity.
Kiama giki kinyitite mbaru murugamo wa minister wa ugima wa mwiri Aden Duale wa ati arigitani aria makinyanirie ikiro cia kurigita arwaru guku bũrũri-inĩ nio mariheagwo mieke ya mbere gutungatira arwaru na oho makamukira mishara kuringana na wira wao.
The recent organ transplant scandal is not accidental. The ethical it is inevitably outcome of institutions that disregard the dignity of the workforce in those particular facilities.
Marihi matwikiru ni kimwe gia itumi iria ciirikanite iracungiriria aruti wira mathibitari-ini gukorwo matari na uigĩrĩrĩki riria maratangĩkĩra arwaru. Riendekithia ria KMPDU ari makinya ma kiwatho matacukirio aria maranyamaria aruti a wira. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Getwo wa Boi wa Njuguna.